awesome. Sir, you beat my girlfriend. I'm sorry. Oh, I guess it looks beautiful. Hey, Yellowbird. Yellowbird. Yes, Mr. Officer Greenberg? Yes, I'm not Officer Greenberg. Okay. Hey, look what I saw. Hey, Redbird. Yeah? Look, I saw. Girlfriend. Just do it, Greenberg. Do it. Do it. Hi. Female girl. Hi. I'm Jewel. How you doing? Yes. Do you know me from Angry Birds Real? Oh, yeah. I love you. Yeah, I love you. Greenberg, what are you doing? We have an office party. Yeah, I know it. Okay, man. Yes, I know it. It's look like. Yeah, I know it's a has seen. First of all, I love you. You freaking. Come on, you, my girl, my boyfriend. You here, Joel? This is here. Yeah, I love you. I'm so excited. Ah! What the? Hey, this is my girl boyfriend. This is my girl boyfriend. No, this is my girl boyfriend. Ouch. So, what is it, Redbird? I don't know. Why is it all fighting each other? Yes. You mean? Hey, what are you doing, you cameraman? Take it off. Take it off.